Hola, what is up you guys? It's Anna. Today we are finally unboxing my birthday gift. If you watch my vlogs, if you're subscribed to my channel, you actually went shopping with me for that purse. I did not unbox it in that video because I was wanting to wait until my birthday. I literally bought this a month and a half ago. It was very impulsive, okay? Listen, I don't want to waste your time. If you're here just to watch the unboxing, I'm gonna leave on the screen just right here below me the time that you need to go to in this video to watch the actual unboxing. Otherwise, here is a little backstory about why I got this purse, and if you're on the fence about this too, maybe this video will be helpful for you. So I have been wanting this bag for the longest time, ever since I was in college. It's one of the most affordable Gucci, I don't even know what it's pronounced, is it Dionysus? The most affordable bag in that collection, like, you know, with that design. I originally wanted it for that reason because I couldn't afford anything bigger. Right when I graduated from college, that's when I wanted to get this bag, and I kind of wanted to hold on to that thought, maybe think about it a little bit more. The years passed, I completely forgot I ever wanted that bag. I was just kind of scared that Gucci print, the hardware and everything. At that time, I didn't know if it was something that's gonna stay through the years. When I buy a designer bag, my main thing is that I want to buy something classic so that I can wear it through the years and then eventually give it to my daughter or maybe resell it or something like that. That's why for me it's really important to invest in something that is a classic, timeless piece. And it was up until last year that those really tiny Jacquemus bags got really popular. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna leave a little image right here so you know which bag I'm talking about. Small bags are very trendy right now. Ever since the weather started getting a little bit warmer, I found myself just not even wanting to grab a big bag when I go out for drinks or for dinner. Sometimes I literally don't even take anything with me. I just grab my ID, put it in my pocket or whatever I'm wearing, and that's it. That's when I realized that I should probably get a small bag just for those kind of outing things. The downside to it is that I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is the biggest thing ever, and it's really hard to find small bags that would fit this, which is why I was on the fence between getting that Jacquemus bag or the Gucci bag that I'm gonna unbox today. Ultimately, I decided for the Gucci bag just because it's something that I've been wanting for a long time. I've been wanting it since I was in college, and I feel like I just kind of owe that to myself. Again, I don't like bulky stuff. I like to take the least amount of things with me, unless it's winter, then it's a different story. I feel like I really needed a small bag that I can just take with me on my day-to-day or even date nights or events where all I really need is my phone and my wallet. That being said, let's split the screen and let's unbox this bag. So we got the Gucci bag, which is cute. Kind of used to the classic black and white one. This green's pretty cute though, so we got that bag, but we don't need her because all we really need is this little box. I actually already tried this bag in the store. It's not gonna be your first impressions whatsoever. Fun for that. So let's get this knot and ready for it. Ooh, wait, that's kind of cute. I like that bag. We got some tissue paper and then the actual bag. This is so cute. Wait, this bag is a lot bigger than I remember. I'm kind of excited now. So this is what she looks like, and this is the bag. Oh my gosh, she is cute. I love it. I love it so much. Oh, she is pretty. This is what she looks like. There's a lot of this wrapping everywhere. I love the color. You know what? This is a lot cuter than I remembered. It's pretty sturdy. I love the design. Let's get rid of all these. The chain is pretty heavy, which I like. One of my pet peeves is having purses where the chain is super, like, I don't know, fake, you know, like not real metal or just very lightweight. I really don't like that. Just made the setup a lot cuter. This is the back. This is she. Oh, we have more stuff inside, and these are, I guess, authenticity cards. This is what she looks like. I really like this color, and when you close it, the way it just shows here. I also thought at the store, like when I was trying it on, you can wrap this one this way, so you cross the chains on the inside like that, and then it makes for a shorter chain if it's too long for you. That is the bag. It's pretty small, honestly, not gonna lie. If you're watching this video because you've been eyeing this purse and you think you want to get it because it's one of the more affordable designer bags, size-wise, I would say definitely wait and save a little bit more money to upgrade. I was gonna buy this bag, like I said, but I just waited a few more years where I was able to afford something bigger, like the YSL Lulu. Let me show you so you can see. Oh, I actually have it right here. As far as size, the difference is exponential. Like, look how tiny this is versus this one. So again, if this is the purse you're eyeing because it's one of the most affordable ones, my recommendation, in all honesty, it would be to wait. I know it hurts. I know you just won the bag right now. I know you have the money. I know you can just get it. But trust me, it is really, really, really worth waiting and getting a bigger bag. And then in the future, if you have the opportunity, then get this one after. I'm glad I waited. I know I would have been disappointed because I just wanted a brand name bag, and I know this would have kind of made me regret my decision just because of how tiny it is. I am at a point where this was a conscious decision. Again, I was literally in between this one or the Jacquemus. The Jacquemus one is cheaper than this one. Not that it's cheap at all, but price-wise, it's a lot less than this one for what it is. But I just felt like this is a classic style and it goes with everything. It is literally the size of my phone, and even if I tried my hardest, I mean, I guess it goes, no, yeah, it does not. No, don't even try, baby girl. Inside there is this little keychain holder thing that I really like, and the best part is that you can actually take it off because it comes like that. So all you have to do is loop it through this thing and boom, done. You leave it, and then it might make room for this phone, but I doubt it. Let's see. It kind of sort of fits. You see that? It's very, very squeezed, and good thing this one's structure because I feel like that would have messed it up. It's definitely sticking out on the sides. That is my phone in there. So if you want it, you can definitely squeeze your phone in this bag, and there's no room other than a card holder. So let me grab my card holder just to see if that is true. And this is just a very simple one from Madewell that I got I don't know how long ago, and it does fit. It actually fits that in there. But if you're out and about with keys, definitely no room for that. Like, this is all it fits. So if you don't have the 12 Pro Max, you certainly can fit your phone in here. Hi, hello, quick little note. As I'm editing this video, my husband actually has an iPhone XR, and I try to put that in the back. It fits perfectly even with the phone case. So unless you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, you definitely, or anything that size, you definitely won't have an issue trying to fit your phone into this bag. Okay, bye. This is her, this is she. Now let me show you like the chain, how you can style it. This is a bag as is, the way it comes with the chain normal. So this is a way that you can wear it. You can also wear it just, you know, on the side. You can open it and do one chain on this side, do this chain to the other side, and then close it. And that makes the chain smaller so you can hold it like this, or which probably I will end up wearing it like this. It looks a little weird because I have a t-shirt dress right now, but if you're wearing pants like high-waisted jeans, I don't like biker shorts tucked in, but this is just to show you if you were to have any other outfit that is not the t-shirt dress. This is, I feel like, the perfect height. It's really trendy to have crossbodies coming up short on you. This is very easily accessible if you're just like out and about on the street. I really like this one. The last way that I think you can style this purse is by taking the chain off. So the same way I showed you how to take off the little key holder, exact same concept. The chain, you can easily take it off. It's a little T-bar and it has the loops right here, so all you have to do is take it off. You can just wear it as a little clutch purse, which looks super tiny. It could also be a very, very giant wallet and a very, very giant bag, but I don't know, I'm thinking maybe like traveling. You can put your stuff right here and just put this in your bigger travel tote bag. Maybe for like a cocktail party or a wedding or something like that, this, you can just hold it as is by itself. So it's a little clutch bag. Now let's talk about price and value. I have a receipt that they gave me. The total of my purchase, and I don't know, it probably depends on the state because of taxes and whatnot. So the bag itself retails for $860, which is definitely a lot for what it is. And I paid $79 with tax, so that makes it $939, which is right under 1K. So this falls into the designer bags under 1K category, and I know I was in the market for that category for the longest time, especially when I was just starting with social media, graduating college and all of that, and I did a lot of research. And if your budget is 1K or under and this is your first purchase, I'm just gonna say don't get it. Don't spend your money on this little tiny purse. Just to be clear, like, I don't regret buying this. It's exactly what I wanted. I wanted something practical. It was my birthday, so I definitely wanted to get something something designer to treat myself. It's taking me growing my handbag collection to get to this point where I was like, okay, I think I want to spend a lot of money on a very tiny item. So I do not recommend starting small. It's just not practical. And you can definitely get used designer bags. Like, let me show you. I purchased these two used Louis Vuitton bags. Both were under 1K. There is ways to get designer purses that are big enough. This one versus this one. Are you kidding me? How much more can you fit in this? And you guys know, I mean, I don't have to say this, but I know there's people watching this that don't watch my every single video, but you guys know I'm all about telling you the truth, even if that gets me in trouble with brands, which has happened a lot. So those are my honest thoughts. Do not get this purse if it's your first designer bag. Save a little bit more money and get something bigger. This YSL behind me that I showed you earlier, it was like over $2,000, and this one is basically close to $1,000. I know I definitely would have regret spending $1,000 in this one and having to start saving all over from scratch for the YSL one, as opposed to just keep saving for a couple more years, buy the YSL, and then just do a short saving time for this $1,000 purse. I hope that makes sense. I don't know if that was confusing. If you're the kind of person that is practical and whenever you go out for drinks, for dinner, whatever it is, you like to only take your phone and your wallet, if you like to carry a lot of things in your purse, you're definitely not going to be happy with this, and I don't want you to spend your money and regret it. That is one of the worst things. I mean, worst case, you can still sell it online, but those are literally all I can think of to make your decision if you want to buy this bag or not, because truly it is pretty small for the price. It doesn't fit a lot, but again, if you align with those principles, then you won't regret it. Go ahead and do it. But yeah, that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful in making the decision and buying this purse or not. Like the title says, this is a very honest review. If you have any questions about this bag, let me know in the comments below. I'm here for you. And happy birthday to me. This is my birthday gift for 2021. Just a fun little designer treat to celebrate another year on this earth. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you and keep growing this community. I forgot to mention this at the beginning of the video, but my name is Ana. I am Latina. I like to say this just in case alguno de ustedes que me está viendo también es latino, latina. Yo nací en México y vivo en Estados Unidos, así que si alguien de aquí es de los míos, déjame saber en los comentarios de dónde me estás viendo. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!